Maintenance, go ahead.
Miss Berry in South 124. Her toilet is clogged and she needs you right away.
10-4.
Fix it like a maintenance man. Yeah, I fix it like a maintenance man. I fix it like a maintenance man.
We have a leaker, Mama. Right there. Look at the moistness. See that? So much moistness. Right here there's a little plastic cap that says Kohler on it. I got my book bag here. Let's see if I brought my O-ring genuine parts. That's what you need for this type of faucet. Got it? Good. Alright. Knife. Just in case. I'll try to use something smaller here. See? There we go, that works. Because eventually this will get to a hex point. Sometimes you can flip them backwards and get to a hex point. This is seriously rigging it though, guys. Hers is on there though. Oh my god. I can't even use my faucet. It's a flood. Hurry. Oh. It ain't that bad. It is not that bad. There we go. It's not that bad, guys. My god. Oh, you should use a paper towel. You mar the chrome. It's plastic. I don't care. It's gonna mar anyway. As long as you keep that water off, you're good. Just pull this straight off. Like that. What I'll do then, I'll take my knife, my moist knife. We'll take off the, well, we'll leave that on there, but we will take off these O-rings here. I'll just cut them and they'll slide right off. And then I'll take this bottom one, cut it. Got a dull knife today, I guess. Usually I have a rag or a paper towel, but she's got a paper towel right there. Probably have to use one of her paper towels. I try not to use the tenant's paper towels, guys, but most of the time they don't mind, because they're paying for it, you know. So I take all this junk out of there, the two rings, the two things. I just dump in the trash can right below me there. Oh great, now my knife won't go back inside. That's so nice. Oh, thanks, piece of crap. Open up your GP30420 G-Line Kohler Parts Kit. It's going to come with a baggie of silicone lube, 2 new snap rings. It doesn't matter how you do this, but I would prefer that these will put different directions. I just do that just because every time I find them they're in different directions. So one on the bottom, one on the top. There's 2 raceways right there. One on the bottom, one on the top. Right here is a raceway for the washers, right there. Okay. So we got the washers. What I like to do is go ahead and get my fingers nice and moist with my magic lube here. They give you plenty to do this, trust me. Oh my god, do they? I just take both of them, massage it in there. This stuff is nasty though. It's one hell of a thing to get off your fingers. But if you don't do it, then now take the excess and wrap it around the other raceways. And this is 100% safe faucet grease, silicone lubricant. So I'll just lube that as much as I can. Then the other lubricant that you're going to use, get a good finger of it this way. This might be overdoing it just a tad bit, but we'll be alright. Is to lube the inside of the stem here. Okay, there's raceways in there as well that needs to be lubricated and moist. That should slide on there a little bit better, but I'm gonna kind of clean off my hands a little bit. I got a rag over here. No, I don't. But I have a paper towel, and I'm gonna have to use it because it's nasty. Clean off my hands there. Why do you wear gloves? Not on a faucet. Come on, man. That's no big deal. These people are a lot. Yeah, that's good. There we go. Put on the faucet. Put back on your ring here. Turn your faucet around this way a little bit. And we'll just, you don't have to go over tight with this. This is not, that's just a beauty plate, really. And then we'll have to use our little thermostatic. Oh, we'll check for a leak while we're here. Let's see. Polish her up too a little bit. Polish her up. Oh yeah, no leaks. No leakies. Look at that. Yeah, it's borderline. Man, these faucets, they are something else. But I'm just going to use my little flathead. This flattens out to the size I need to put this handle back on. So that's really cool. It goes in the slots in it. It locks in there. I'll just give it a snug down. This is the ghetto way of doing it, guys. Because I loaned out my dang Allen wrench set that was in my thing. So on there, doesn't leak anymore. It better not be leaking underneath there while I'm doing all this crap. Yeah, because this is a brand new garbage disposal. I didn't do that too long ago. So put our cap back on. Make sure Kohler faces Kohler. There we go. Thank you, Kohler. That's how easy it is, guys. Guys, thanks for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. I'm going to throw this away. And she'll be leak free. And I'm going to get all my tools, put them back in my bag. Here, put my cap back on my thing there. And then I'll be good to go. But here's my tool bag again. It's organized chaos in here. I'm just gonna stick these wherever the heck I feel like it right now. And then this. There we go. So, it's organized chaos. Because I don't just do one trade, guys. You know that. So it's kind of hard to keep everything going there. So, outside. Got my testos, got some opening wrenches, screwdrivers, testo temperature probes. So out here, most stuff I use most of the time, which is a wiki. And as you saw in one of my other videos, this got it from Harbor Freight, and this thing, or actually it was, I think it came from Cobalt. It doesn't say Kohler. I think it came from Marble Freight though. You can change out some blower housings with that sucker right there real easy and real quick. Guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. Y'all keep shining on. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Y'all have a good one.